How can I add checked baggage to my American Airlines booking?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to add checked baggage to your American Airlines booking. Whether you've got some extra luggage for your trip or you've simply changed your packing plans, this video will guide you on how to modify your booking to include those extra bags.
Why should you add baggage to your booking?
Before getting started, it's important to understand why adding checked baggage to your booking is a good idea. Pre-purchasing checked baggage can be a great way to save time at the airport and potentially save on costs. You can generally pay for your bags online from 24 hours before your flight up until check-in.
How to log into your American Airlines account?
First and foremost, you need to log into your American Airlines account. 1. Visit the American Airlines website on your computer or mobile device. 2. Click on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. 3. Enter your account username or email, followed by your password. 4. Click Login.
How to access your booking?
Now, let's move to accessing your booking. 1. Look for the My Trips or Manage Reservations section on the website. Click on it. 2. You will be asked to enter your booking number and last name. Fill in these details correctly. 3. Click on Find Reservation. This will take you to your booking details.
How to add checked baggage?
Now that you've got your booking details, it's time to add the checked baggage. 1. In your booking details, look for a section or option called Add Bags or similar. 2. Click on this option. This should take you to a new page where you can add and pay for checked baggage. 3. Select the number of bags you wish to check in, and follow the prompts to pay for them. Remember, the number of checked bags you can add and the cost per bag may vary based on your specific flight and ticket type. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add checked baggage to your American Airlines booking. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you a smooth and pleasant journey. Thank you for watching, and safe travels.